Today we're going to be making beef rice A Roni. It does have the instructions on how to do it on the back, but I'm showing the basic ingredients here. Of course, it's the rice A Roni, the beef, diced tomatoes, some ground beef, and some Imperial margarine. Well, it doesn't have to be Imperial, but margarine or butter. I have 2 big tablespoons of butter in here. So what we're going to do now is cook the rice like this until the rice turns golden brown. We got the ground beef cooking here. Okay, this has been cooking with the 2 big tablespoons of butter. And of course I've been using my spatula here to flip it over and everything so it can start turning golden brown. And I guess it's been between 5 and 10 minutes that I've been cooking it. So as you can see, it is starting to turn golden brown. So now we're about to add 2½ cups of water to the mixture. We're draining the ground beef, get all the grease out, or most of it. The Rice A Roni box comes with a pack of spices, so I just put that in the mixture here. So I'm going to stir this up. I just put a can of diced tomatoes in the mixture here. So I'm going to stir this all up, and I'm going to cook it on low to medium heat for about 18 minutes. I forgot to mention, you might want to get this boiling before you put it on low to medium heat to cook between 15 to 18 minutes. Thought I would mention that. The Rice A Roni is cooking right now. Got 12 more minutes. Make sure that you put a lid on top of it so the steam can help the rice cook, and I leave mine a little bit cracked. So I added the ground beef to this towards the end when it got done cooking, and I just stirred it up and it's ready. So the Rice A Roni's here ready. That's what it looks like. Alright, here it is. Here's the Rice A Roni. About to eat it. I just want to say thank you for watching our video. Take care. Bye-bye.